Welcome to English Treasure. What am I? I live in the mountains. Mountains. I am very furry. Furry. I have 6 fingers. Fingers. I love to eat bamboo. Bamboo. My face is white, but my eyes and ears are black. Face. What am I? I live in the mountains. I am very furry. I have 6 fingers. I love to eat bamboo. My face is white, but my eyes and ears are black. I am a panda. I am a panda. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like it. If you learned from it, share it with your friends. And if you loved it, subscribe to the channel.